Vivid orange marigolds, dense purple aubergines, and luminous green cabbages. Not just farm produce, but the colors of freedom for the women of Raigad, who defied a society unwilling to accept their status as single women to collectively find independence. Out to regain control over their lives and break free of societal shackles, more than 30 widows, divorced, or unmarried women formed the Ekal Nari Sangatan. In 2019, it was the starting point for a profitable business venture that over time included more women and the turning point in their lives. As they moved through their fields, tending to their crops, the song is back in their lives, quite literally. Women working as helpers in farms alongside men is a common sight across India. But when we look carefully, hear closely, and the difference is clear. The women of the tribal Densagari village in Raigarh who break into a song in Kui language are the main decision makers who farm, market, and sell their produce to earn their livelihood.